Okay, we got our snack crate from New Zealand. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Okay, first we're gonna do these
The tomato
munchos,
chips.
tomato
The ones that you were
chips.
eating before this, Mom?
We all tried one.
Okay, everybody take one, and then don't eat it yet. until
Don't eat
everybody
it until
gets one.
everybody has one. Nope, don't eat it yet.
Don't eat it.
Don't smell it.
Okay,
And
this
it's
is it.
spicy. Is it spicy?
Okay,
It's a
everybody-
tomato chip. Everyone take a bite.
Go ahead.
Put the whole thing in. Try it. Briella, bite it.
Doesn't taste anything like a tomato.
What do you guys think?
Yummy.
You like it? No, not yummy?
Erica, what do you think?
No, not so good?
It's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
You and Jabril.
It doesn't taste like a tomato.
Okay, so we're gonna do
It's
this.
perfect.
It's called a peanut slab.
It's a huge, yeah.
Okay.
It's a huge thing of chocolate with a little bit of peanut.
You might want to try just a little bit.
Just take a nibble,
Okay.
Briella.
Really?
Oh, Brother already ate it.
Go ahead.
I
Take a nibble.
love this.
Briella is not a chocolate fan, so she's not gonna like it.
Nope.
What about you, Brooke?
What about?
Delicious? You don't like chocolate either, Erica?
No, neither of them do.
Oh, man.
Okay, so let's do something.
A little different.
Okay, pineapple lumps.
Pineapple lumps?
Pineapple lumps.
Oh, are they chocolate?
Hold on, don't try it yet.
Wait. Okay, go ahead.
Finish what you had in your mouth before. Go ahead, try it. Is that hard? Give it a try, Erica. See what you think. It's pineapple.
You didn't try it. You have to bite it.
It's
That's the
pineapple.
whole deal with the snack crate.
Oh.
Not good?
You got it? No?
You don't like it?
Amazing.
Okay.
Put it in your mouth and eat it. Oh.
What do you guys think?
I love it.
You like it?
Love it?
Parker liked this one.
I like it. It's good.
Briella does not.
Okay.
Of course. I don't want to swallow it.
Yeah, I don't have a thing. Okay, so these are called.
Like Laffy Taffy
Yeah.
covered in chocolate.
This is a Wonka Fabulicious Sherbet Fizz.
I probably
Don't-
would like that.
Don't eat it yet. Don't eat it yet.
You will
Don't
like
eat it yet.
that.
Sure,
One.
Put that down.
Yeah,
Two.
you can put that down.
3. Go ahead and try the new one.
Yum.
Briella, back up a little bit.
Yum.
What do you think, Parker?
No, not that one.
I don't like it either, Parker. Don't worry. I love it. I want more.
Okay. So let's go to the next one. We're gonna do a chocolate one next. So these are Moro.
I took Parker.
Okay.
Moro bar, and it's caramel nougat and chocolate.
No, I'm not gonna
This one's good.
This one's
Nougat's
like
pretty
a
yummy,
Milky
though.
Way.
Ooh. I do not like Milky Ways.
Okay, I'll eat it.
And to eat my own cat. Wait, can I just take it in there?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Pop it in your mouth.
It's good.
It's so good. Is it yummy? You don't like it? What do you like? Chocolate.
I'm giving you Parker.
This one was my favorite.
And Kate and I do not agree.
It is a chicken chip.
Got one?
What?
It's a chicken chip. It's
Flavored
delicious.
Potato chip.
See,
What?
Erica knows.
No, I'm talking about the chocolate that I used.
Was it good? Miss Ed
Hold
did
on,
not
don't eat
like
it yet. Make sure everything else is out of your mouth.
Okay, everybody's mouth's clean?
Yep.
Okay, go
Finish
ahead.
up, Brian. Okay, go ahead, guys. Try it out.
Another one.
You like it, Parker?
Mm-hmm.
Briella?
Wait. That's done.
Erica likes it. Brooke?
No, I swallow it.
You don't want to
Swallow it. It's fine. It's
swallow
just a
real
chip.
quick.
I don't like it at the beginning, but I like it at the end.
It's pretty good.
Okay, let's
We
do
still got these two, right?
Oh, we have 3. Four
Okay.
more.
Oh, yeah, that one.
Okay, this is a pixie caramel.
This one's a caramel candy. You guys will like that.
Come on.
No, you didn't even try it.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
It's very chewy. Oh, very hard.
Yeah, it's caramel.
Ooh, that's good.
Parker, you like it?
Oh, of course I'm gonna like that. I kind of like it.
I like it too. Parker, you like it?
Ew.
What do we got next?
This one we took their Pascal milkshake.
Pascal?
Get back.
Pascal milkshake.
You mean from Tangled?
Yep.
Okay. Here we
Well,
go.
I don't feel like I'm gonna like it.
Well, finish what's
Already
in your
got
mouth.
one.
There we go.
Yep.
Finish what's in your mouth before you try something new.
First the caramel. Oh yeah, the caramel was like. Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm. I don't want it.
Are you done with the caramel? Okay. Okay, you guys ready for the milkshake?
Give it a shot.
Okay, go ahead.
It's pretty good
I think
actually.
everybody's gonna like this one.
I didn't
It's
like
vanilla.
What do you mean you didn't like it?
I like
What
it.
do you mean? Bit.
No,
You don't
That one's
like
pretty
it?
good.
You
vanilla.
didn't even try it.
I don't want to.
Oh.
All right, what do we got left?
It's an extra one.
Oh, thank you.
Those two? Those are like the good ones.
Okay, this was mine and Kate's favorite milk chocolate covered marshmallow and caramel.
It's got marshmallow in it.
Okay.
It's just, Briella, it's all marshmallow. Just try it. There's barely any chocolate. Just put it on the counter.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish.
Put it on the counter.
It is all my phone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, eat up.
That's so squishy.
Like a
I
marshmallow.
think that's my favorite. For sure.
I don't like the outside.
It's delicious. I love it.
That's a
Eat it
chicken
all up.
chip.
Chicken chip?
You just ate chicken chip. All right, and the last one.
I do not like this.
Okay, put it down.
Okay, the last one is a Twizzlers.
You say, I want some.
Okay, here we go.
I probably will like this.
Don't eat it yet.
What flavor are they?
Grape. No, lime. Grape and lime.
Lime.
Okay, go ahead.
Yummy.
I'm so confused. The taste is confusing.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a pretty good one.
Okay, so Parker, what was your favorite?
Only 3 things are not favorite.
Okay, which one? You don't know?
Chicken chip?
Okay. You like the chicken chip, huh?
Yeah.
Briella, what's your favorite?
The red one. This one.
Or this?
I liked the one that we ate last.
Yeah.
Oh, the Twizzlers one?
The purple one. That was
Okay.
good.
What about you,
Red.
Bri?
I like the kind of Milky Way chocolate.
Oh,
yeah. That
yeah.
was good.
What was that? The more bar?
Bar.
What about you, Brooke?
I liked the marshmallow thing.
The marshmallow one? Scoot back. Erica, what about you?
I liked the same thing as Brooke.
The marshmallow one? That was mine and your mom's favorite too.
I also like the pineapple one.
Okay, guys, what do you say?
Pineapple one too.
Bye.